Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Wanted to prep you on this one. Don't forget the clamp. You can save yourself a bit of trouble in installing this. I forgot to install the clamp and had to do it afterwards, so a little bit more trouble. But got some tips for you on this one and also an anti-tip so no one gets hurt. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Changing that 4-wire cord to the 3-wire cord here. You sent the wrong cord. So, quick sizes. Net driver. So on the 3-wire cord, the ground's in the center, and then you've got your first hot and second hot.
One on each side.
They're usually black and red for the hots, and green for the ground. They sent the wrong cord on this one. Fortunately, I had an extra cord. This is the 4-wire cord. Right? Yeah. But the 4-wire cord actually is a bit safer. It has an extra safety.
Right.
It has, so on this one, it's yeah.
Yeah.
The ground and the neutral are shared. It gives an extra safety ground on a 4-wire cord. You have to check with your local codes for what's required in your area. Some areas are requiring 4-wire cords for ranges. It just depends. Sometimes it requires rewiring the outlet, as the prong is different, and that's what we ran into on this one. And it makes me wonder, I had an old cord left, and I'm actually wondering if maybe something changed in January 2018. New year, could be a new requirement, so I'm going to have to look into that a little bit. But for maintenance wise, I'm able to make it work for now. So. Yeah, stubborn one. There's always at least one stubborn one, usually. It doesn't want to behave.
Alright.
There it is.
Yeah. Purple, red, black.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. And then looking at the cord side, just want to show the prong of the cord. The other side. Yeah. See, there's the 4-wire comparison to the 3-wire. So a little different. And then when you plug it into your outlet, that's a little different too. So that's why you would have to just replace the outlet to a 4-wire outlet if that's what's required. So steel cover here, and it actually lists a warning here on the back for the 3-wire hookup and the 4-wire hookup. So I'm going to take a picture of that and try to read that better, but anyway, that's the story here. Changing out for the 3-wire cord.
So for the 4-wire setup, it actually separates the neutral from the ground. To rehook this up, I had to make sure the connection was still there between ground and neutral.
One thing I forgot here is the silly clamp that holds the holds the wire and keeps it from rubbing and moving around. So gonna make this right. Basically gonna slip one side in this way, and then one on the back side, and then pass the screw through.
Oh, okay.
So it's just clamping the, it keeps it from moving around when you pull the stove out or anything like that. So There's just 2 screws that pass through. Probably a little easier to put on before, but we'll manage. There's always a way. There's one. And the second one. Oop. And unfortunately, I've got them the wrong way. No, I got it the right way. Looks like it doesn't matter which one it's going through. Gonna be stubborn because of the angle. There we go. And now we made it right. There we go. At least now it's not going to go anywhere. And now we can plug it in and it's going to be all right. All right. There it is, all on. You have a bunch of red lights when it was first plugged in. That was interesting, but I didn't get to record it. Oh well.
And one more thing that bears mentioning on these is you want to make sure that the anti-tip bracket is installed, prevents deaths and injuries. And there's 2 ways to install that, which I show in other videos, the anti-tip bracket. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.
Here with me, I call on your name. In the midst of the praise, given in joy, your peace surrounds me as love overflows. Glory to Jesus, Savior of my soul. In the midst of the battle, the struggle, the war, as I look up to you, the victory is sure. Your promises stand despite fury and flame. The gates of hell will not prevail. Your light burns bright deep within me. Your words, your instructions, they set me free. The gift of your presence, eternal. Glory in Jesus.